Hey, what's going on guys? This is Emmanuel and welcome back. Wow! Episode 4 guys! Thank you so much for subscribing. If we can get to 130 subs, I'm gonna share with you guys where to get these awesome hexagear items. So guys, a couple of days ago I received this package. We are going to check out this awesome product called M.S.G. Stands for Modeling Support Goods by Kotobukiya. Right here. It's supposed to be a weapon unit, but I'm a little bit skeptical guys. I'm gonna tell you why. It is too cheap, okay? It's less than $5 US. Less than that. I'm not sure people, we're gonna unbox this, we're gonna build this. You're gonna leave a comment below and let me know guys. Let me know. Okay, let's find out. Like how? Is it supposed to be like this? What am I supposed to do with this? Ew, I see. I think I got it. I am struggling. This thing right here is driving me crazy. Okay, now I see it. So it's supposed to be like this, I guess. Oh, sure. And you're supposed to snap this on over here. Something's not right. Is this thing supposed to go all the way in? Well, that works for now, I guess. You think so? One frame is done, toss it away. guys, I'm done. Okay, this is a fake product. We have Cole right here. He's in shock, right? Because we just built a fake product, and here's why. First thing first, it comes with a very cheap plastic sleeve. Not only that, look at the package, look at the printing. It's in Chinese. I think it's supposed to be in Japanese, right? I'm not sure if you can tell, but the instruction manual is printed really bad. Looks like some kind of low resolution images that you took from Google image. Okay, I actually struggled when I was putting things together. Now of course, you're supposed to get a sword, an axe, and a couple of daggers or smaller sword. Okay, here's the cool thing. When you put together everything, it will look like this. So if you look at the runner right here, especially at this part, it's not trimmed properly. The moment of truth, you guys. So I gotta say, some parts don't actually fit well. If you can see over here, this part, I know it's not supposed to be like this. It's supposed to fit right in. I might drop something. Okay, so basically this is pretty cool. Alright, it's pretty cool, but it's also very sharp. Very sharp, so you gotta be careful. Okay, overall I think I'm quite satisfied with it. If I can just take out this part right here. Okay, and I think the top over here, yeah. Okay, and there's also a sword or a dagger that you can take it out. I kind of like this part, this mechanics. If you push it up, it gives you an axe. Okay, and of course over here, the sword, you can actually just take it out, take all these parts out. And where's the handle? It's somewhere. I believe this part right here is supposed to go here. The hilt, is that what you call the hilt? Okay, and I think you can also add this part. Okay, it's supposed to be a sword for your robots. And as for the dagger, it comes with this handle here that you can just fix it through like this. That's pretty cool. There's another one. Okay, so here you go. And if you want to assemble it into the heavy weapon Unite sword, okay, you can just do this thing. I believe that you're supposed to hook up this thing right here. Yeah. Okay, like I said, this part is supposed to click, right? But it doesn't. Okay, it's supposed to click, but it doesn't. So it's kind of annoying. And you can take out parts of this thing. Let me try. The thing about a fake product is that it's kind of hard to take out sometimes. Man. Okay. And then you just put it in right here. Okay, again, these little ones, you can fit right in over here. One. Is this it? Nope. Okay, one over here, and you take out this part Oops, did I break it? Nope. It's kind of annoying, parts of it. You're just gonna be really careful. Fix it here. And last one. Hiya. Just gotta be really careful. Feel like something's gonna fall apart. And what else am I missing? This part. Okay. I think you are supposed to put it right here. I think there you go. Yeah, one more. This one. I don't know what you call this thing. You fit right here. Okay, so it's about 23.5 centimeter. Now if you can see next to this guy right here, it's a 3-inch pilot governor. Obviously, I don't think he can hold this thing. The sword is gonna be too big for him. Super annoying. Let's get this thing fixed up. Yeah, so that's about it, guys. Alright guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching today's episode. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell. See ya.